Hi, I'm Erick Slone, a Dynamic Impeller Balancer at Gorman-Rupp. I've been part of the team for over 7 years. The impeller is the heart of a pump. That's why it's important that each one is perfectly balanced. Balancing cuts down on vibration, reduces wear, and ensures the pump will operate reliably and efficiently. This results in energy dollars saved for the customer down the road. I use Hoffman dynamic balancing machines and a universal static balancer to test and fine-tune each impeller. This equipment allows me to pinpoint any weight displacement and correct it by adding weight through welding or reducing weight through grinding until the weight meets Gorman-Rupp's exact standards. I'm a Gorman-Rupp Dynamic Impeller Balancer, and we are the pump people.